What is this?
Buttermilk is good for the drunken fellow. If you have this, then only you can have the food nicely.
Hey, when I applied some powder and I acted before the public, the people will appreciate me. My country feels so proud about me. But you are looking me like a little ant, huh? Give me some rice.
Listen me first. All are blaming at me that you are having alcohol even in the dance class that I very well know. Kathakali is a very traditional dance, you very well know. The person who is teaching that dance must be very clean and disciplined.
What happened? This is a small problem. Listen to me. A good artist will definitely drink. If he didn't drink, he is not a good artist. Non-drinkers must want to pay a lot of tax.
I really pray the God the government should put the fine for the drunken fellow.
Just listen to her.
Are you in dream with the Singapore husband?
After your marriage, I think next vacation I will be there. Inform to Manoj brother. I want to round the Singapore. Leban Park, underwater game, casinos, etc. etc.
What, everything is over? Can you come close?
Where?
You both are doing too much, Ashwini. Just leave it, no? Just waiting for me.
Leave it. Leave us.
You just go out from this place and go to some other place and dream there, okay? Hari? What happened to you? Why you are not coming to my home?
I'm waiting here for a long time to see you. One sec. Do you want to marry that guy?
Why you are talking like this? They are such a big level, so my father like him a lot. I don't know what to do. They are not even asking my opinion.
No one needs to know what you like. You just hide the thing and wait for it. On an auspicious day, I'll marry you. Definitely.
What you are saying? We need to run away?
I didn't say like that, my dear. Those birds, these plants, that sky, this land, this beautiful nature will help me to marry you.
Wow, this pic is wonderful. I like it very much. It's good. Hey, what's this, man?
Love you, dear. Love you so much.
Hey, don't you know he is my uncle's son? He is going to kill you.
Come on, he's in deep love with Meenachi.
Get lost. They both are good friends. You too, my friend. Do you know that we need to fly like a butterfly? That is friendship, actually. Unconditional love.
Oh, it's like X-Bag attitude, right?
കണ്ടില്ലയോ മാലിനി നീ എന്നെ കണ്ടില്ലയോ ബാലേ നീ എന്നെ കണ്ടില്ലയോ ബാലേ.
Do you have anything to dance and enjoy in front of my light? Tell me, Raghuram.
Even if I'm trying for the second time, for this kind of a dance, the Kichaka dress is always suitable.
हरिणाक्षी जन मौली मने नी हरिणाक्षी ये जन मौली मने नी എന്നരികിൽ വരിക മാലിനി 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 തരുടേ നിന്നോടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസം തരുണി നിന്നോടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസ തരുണി നിന്നുരയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസം തരുണി നിന്നുരയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസം തരുണി നിന്നോടയ ശൃംഗാര പദവിന്യാസ തരുണി
Meenakshi, I'm also coming, yeah? Yeah.
I feel fear. Father will wake up.
You just fear only for our dad.
Shoo.
But I was feared with snakes and dogs, huh? I came here to see you.
Okay, I'll give kiss immediately.
Hey, I have came here to just have a kiss with you.
I'll
don't
show
want
the
it.
rest in the WhatsApp.
I have already seen it in WhatsApp, yeah. I want to see it in live.
Choo.
I think the dog was raised by your dad.
Go,
Bye,
go,
bye,
go,
bye.
go.
I don't have any nice memories to share you guys. I don't get chance when my mom's last days. My husband will be there for me till my end of the day. He also left. That's also a curse. I think I may bored you with my old nasty story.
Not at all. Subhatra sister's life is a lesson, right?
If you are not inviting our grandfather's 60th anniversary means, do you feel for that, right?
I don't have any guilt which I have done. My all the relatives and left me and gone. I never gone to anyone's house and I never begged anything from them. Respected elder uncle's mercy, who lived very much happily. Convey my wishes also to them.
Held, the maximum point gained by Rahul Leela Krishna and KR Meenakshi. They are the winner of these competitions.
Ornaments and dance costumes you can store in the wooden box. It will long last. It look fresh till next year.
From now I'm going to stop this, Mom. I don't want to wear this anklet. I'm going to concentrate on studies.
I think you have frustration. You did not become a winner.
Nothing like that, Mom. At the time of practicing, as well as dancing in a group, I have some doubt, but it got cleared now. Mom, shall I tell now?
Tell me, dear.
Meenakshi and Rahul have some relationship, Mom.
Are you sure? They are good friends. Like you and Vishal. Don't be silly, darling. Your and Rahul's engagement also done. The wedding dates are very close. Now we are in confusion. Darling, go and eat something. Go.
Whatever we say, people will go with winners only.
Oh, I think grudge is your main problem.
Get lost. Hey!
Come on, baby. I'm there for you.
You two will leave me, right?
Though this is not a matchmaking ceremony, but he has come here to specifically meet you, to know your intent.
Now, if you want to tell it secretly, you can go to the next room.
You got a starting trouble, it seems. I told my mother that you all can decide and then let me know about it. You just have changed a little bit from earlier times. Apart from that, there are no changes at all. Why are you so silent? Hey, are you in love with somebody, huh? Tell me.
I need to complete my studies. In our current generation, only 1 degree is not enough.
That can always happen. Oh, I was a little scared, you know. The rest of the matters, we'll leave it to the elders. You know what? I don't want to scare them. Shall I go?
It has been decided by them. And I also think they were right. A rich man like Mano, who has come all the way to see you. And of course, your family members like him.
They only happy. Actually, I am not happy. Because of their happiness, I'm making me as happy. Actually, we don't have rights to take our own decision, right?
I don't hesitate to tell in front of all your family members that I like you. But the case is I'm a jobless guy, not a rich man like Mano. We people depend on your family for our livelihood. I'm nothing in front of them.
Will you please shut up? In the world, all the lovers are became a rich person and marrying their lover? Tell me that.
Hurry!
Uncle, please stop.
You go. I said go away. What are you doing, huh? Do you exactly know what you're doing, huh? You're spitting on the same plate which you're supposed to use, huh?
Dad.
Just see what I do to you today. When my life was in doldrums and I was in very bad shape, then those people saved me. You have to actually worship them like a god. If you're going to break trust like this, then God will never ever forgive you.
Dad.
I have a small request to my son. I don't want to see those days. Don't leave me alive. Can you please kill me?
Five flower necklace, 10 sparkling necklace, 10 snake design necklace. This is mango necklace. Then a lot of finger rings. One Vani grandma who was living at that time brought some goldsmiths from Madurai to this palace and they made these jewels. My dear child, you should wear all these jewels and sit in the marriage ceremony like a queen.
Yes, you're right.
Uh-huh. Nowadays kids don't like this antique metals, ornaments, designs and all, Mom.
Including Mangal Sutra, all the jewels must be best for my pretty girl. She must be an angel that I have to see.
Oh.
After finishing his MBA in the USA, hand him over all the responsibility of the job. That's why he's decided to come and stay here for the next 3 months so that he can do the job.
In the meanwhile, we should fix up a date for the marriage. What happened to you? Why are you looking so sad and dull? Whatever is troubling your mind, please tell us. The marriage is nearing.
No, Grandpa. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want this marriage.
No, dear. No. Dear.
Shoo, my dear, listen, dear.
Dear,
Please
what
listen
happened?
to us. Listen, dear. My dear. Listen.
What happened?
Listen, my dear.
Tell me.
Listen. What happened, dear?
Darling.
Why are you crying now? Huh? Tell me.
Tell me what happened.
What happened?
Tell me, darling.
Were we living so long just to see you cry like this? What is your problem? Please tell me that now.
I don't have any problem. I want to continue my studies. I want to do my Kuchipudi in post-graduation in Hyderabad.
Is that all? That is something good. Let me tell you something. Your mother My daughter Arundhati, when she was your age, she decided to go on her own path and that destroyed her, and I don't want that to happen in your life. In a woman's life, after her puberty, she has lot of ideas and dreams, and you know what happens? She has to share her life with someone else. Now your life has also come to that stage. I am just left this one and only duty. Think well. Think about it deeply.
Simply don't shed the tears. It will not help you. You should not cry in front of me. When you love a girl truly, you did not need any of others' help to live with her very happily. This is not good for a guy.
I got a job offer from my friend circle. Once I got placed there, then I'll take her to my place.
You must understand this is not the easiest game. The problems will definitely start when you think living together.
We need to live together. Now I decided that only.
When I take a decision, because of that I spoiled my life. Always you'll get a small place in Subhadra Auntie's home. You guys are most welcome.
Acres of coconut groves, and being a VIP had concubines all over town. But when he became very ill, not a single soul was ready to help him. After that, nobody was able to see him in this town.
To see you in this situation, we feel very sad.
Listen, first get up. Manu brother is not unknown person, right? Then why you are feeling a lot? Whenever you want, you can go there and come here, right?
Ammu?
Yes, coming, mom. Wait here, I'll come.
Can I ask you something? I know that both of you are loving each other. But you have to forget him, right?
I want to forget. No way. I have to be with Hari only.
Are you going? Online time?
9:30. I'll give Mr. Gold.
Wait, I say.
Hey,
Hey. It's okay.
Stop there. Hereafter, don't come to the house anymore. When my daughter told me this, I didn't believe. Get out from here.
We are taking leave.
Meenakshi, please don't cry. Please stay calm, I say.
she said you should not enter into that house. I don't have anybody. Now you're satisfied, right?
I'm not able to control myself. I just didn't expect that my aunt will come on that time. Hey, just listen to me. They can just ask me to get out from that home, but nobody can take you out from my heart. You are only the person inside of my heart, okay?
What's the matter?
I'm the president of the Puram committee, Avinashi. The festival is nearing. We have come here to fix up the new dates.
Then Krishnan.
He is not keeping well. He said he'll not be able to come to the temple. He was always the first one in these matters. Don't know what happened.
Nothing should be given up. Everything must be performed. I'll be
Okay.
there.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Krishna, did you send 4 towels to Mandanur?
Yeah, I have sent it. In fact, I have sent it yesterday.
Krishna, come with me. Let's take a walk. Meenakshi is not coming home for some time now. When I asked Bhagirathi, she did not give me a right reason. She just said she would be angry. She says Rahul and Meenakshi has something in between them. When children behave with each other, they would be like this, you know. We should not magnify such things. Ask Meenakshi to come to my house. Bama could have misunderstood and told her something.
Meenakshi! What is your relation with the boss son? Tell me. Don't you hear me? Tell me. You have put me to shame. You scoundrel. Come. Come with me.
What? What happened?
You ask yourself about your daughter's love affair. And that too with the boss son. I'll kill you here itself. Why do you go to that house 40 times a day? Now the villagers have got to know about this. Now if you go to that house once again, those people will literally drive you out of there. Oh, you have broken my trust.
If you want to kill me, then do it. But that much big sin, I didn't do it. We and Rahul are loving each other. Only my love is problem. If anyone do it, doesn't it matter? Haryana and Maithili also loving each other. There is no problem with you, right?
Listen. Since both my children have grown up, yeah? Till now, whatever we have been eating, wearing, and where we have been staying, you need to know all these things are given by whom? It's only because of the boss today I am alive. I not only have love towards him, I have faith in him. Before both of you together put me into shame in this village, I have to leave this place. We are going back to our village. Now get ready.
Just don't think about anything, huh? Everything has been finished. They asked me a lot, but I never answered them. I'm not able to digest while they're scolding you.
Everyone scold me. Everyone hate me. But I have a request with me. Some boys are used to play with love. If you are also like that, then I won't be here.
Meenakshi, why are you talking like this? Then this meeting will be meaningless, huh? See, I have decided that what to do.
I'm planning to meet you both, Ashley. Me only informed about your relationship to my mom. Whenever we all together, we'll be happily enjoying our friendship. Rahul, our families are decided we both have to get married. Don't bring her to that place.
See, don't mistake me. If there is a marriage in my life, then she will be my wife. I just seen you like my sister. I cannot see you in another dimension.
Just stop. Don't say anything to me.
Listen.
Why? What is this new habit? This is always your responsibility.
When new things come to practice, then we have to accommodate and change practices. I have to go back to my village. You are the one who got me here. If we are alive as a family today, that is only because of you, sir. To give back, I just have devotion in my mind for you, sir.
Krishna, whatever we get to eat is not actually sown by us. Just think about it.
To understand good people, no one has the time in this world. This is because they never try to understand life itself. The trust and devotion which I have towards my boss. When I came to know that my children will not be able to abide by that, then I took the decision to go back to my village. I'm going, sir.
First of all, understand this. Krishna is not my servant. In my heart, I believe that he is my brother and I behave like that. Because of Meena's and Rahul's activities, he is very sad right now, do you know? But how can we blame him?
They both have grown together. That is the problem. We cannot blame them.
If my son marry, it will be only Anjali. If a loud servant, it is not good for our family. That I will educate him now. They are just servants of our family. They are not equal to us. And they are really ready to go. Then why we want to stop them?
Grandpa, they both are loving each other. But still, we should not punish their family. Just leave this.
Dear, we didn't tell them to go from here at all. Kunyunni uncle only told his decision to our dad.
Please don't give trouble to that family. You first understand one thing. Long years ago, one person proposed for a marriage. Like that, if Hari asked, from that time, they will end the life. His father was saying like this to Hari. We both should not marry each other. If we got married, definitely Hari father will get suicide.
So that's the problem. I was suspicious that something wrong is happening over there. If you really have grown something of this thought like this into your brain, throw it out this moment itself. You will get married to Manohar and that is my decision. That is final.
I could not say my opinion because I don't have father and mother, right?
The mistakes done by my children. Please forgive them, sir. Forgive them, sir.
Look, can you understand the amount of blunder mistake these children have done? Only to become rich for the rest of his life, your son has played with the sentiments of my daughter.
You people want to be very faithful to us only. The love between you and our family's daughter has been finished.
Before you, our Manu was always along with her. You know that? What you did to our daughter, we are also ready to forget that. But you just get lost from here.
What do you say?
Sir, it was me. From my childhood, I liked her. I love your granddaughter.
Shut your mouth. I should not see you anywhere in this area after this. And you too try to forget everything after this.
I'll take care. He will never set foot in your house. I'll take care.
Krishna! Bala, I don't want her to cry for her life and make her weep, you know. Everybody should understand. To destroy is easy. Your lifetime won't be enough to build something. Maithili belongs to Hari.
Daddy?
After life and death, my soul is searching for Punarjani riverside. I'm begging your life without anyone's curse. The woman's life between curse and happiness. Without knowing anything, my soul is surrounding here. You must fulfill my needness. For a long time, I was waiting for this moment. You know very well.
Subhadra. Subhadra?
Who's that?
It's me, Raghuraman.
What do you want?
Subhadra, to see you, I just can't wait till tonight, you know, and that's what I just came here.
There is no benefit. You came with the old memories. Just leave from here, Raghurama. You know what? I just loved your flaunts, not you.
Please don't talk like this to me, you know. Without you, I can't live here, you know. I just can't forget you, Subhadra.
You got a great talent. I wish because of that, many doors will open for you. But this Subhadra will not open the door for you.
You know the guy Krishna? His daughter went to study for the auto station. She ran away with the guy who's the other caste. Now, that girl is working in one shop to earn money. Don't compare that girl with this, okay? Don't talk rubbish, okay?
Hey, just listen to me. Exactly on the polling day, your father is also not allowed to poll second time.
Now don't talk about my father, okay?
I will talk like that only.
Why unnecessarily both of you fighting? We brought up Maitri, okay? Don't forget it.
Yeah, you are right.
She's basically much adamant in nature and we all know about it. So besides all these issues, why we have to send her with Hari at this point of time?
You know what all are talking about? That we are planning to grab all the Arundhati's assets and that's why we planned this marriage.
That's the true, right?
Dad, I'm going to cinema theater. Movie? Just go back. You given me the money to see movie. Today we're not going to any movie. I will go, Dad. My dear, just don't come late, huh? Oh, oh, sing.
Hello? Yeah, mommy.
Bro, what's the price?
Hi. Baby. Don't forget to buy bangles, huh?
The sound from the festival making me so excited, but I can't sleep, you know. Before and all, the girls used to stay here together and they will go together for the festival. Who are all can't go to the festival, I'll be there with them. Have your milk, okay? I'm having a small work in the kitchen. I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay, I'll sleep alone. You'll go and sleep well. I don't have any fear.
Then I will sleep over there, okay? Close the door and sleep, okay?
Okay.
Who's that?
Chandra sister.
Dear, I want to see you immediately.
What?
You have to come out now.
Now? Okay, we'll come.
Everybody has gone to temple. Yeah, okay. I'll call you back.
They all will come now. I have to go fast.
Anjali,
Tell me what?
Mom called me. Dad admitted in the hospital. I'm leaving in the morning flight.
Are you going?
I have to go. Without seeing you, I don't want to go.
Again, when we can meet?
After my father discharged, I will immediately come here. After going back, will you forget me?
Vishal.
Nothing happened. Don't panic.
Oh my God,
Why
dear,
did you
what
come here?
happened? Move! Come, dear, what happened?
Stop that!
You bloody! Sir,
What has
she
happened to
locked
my
the room.
daughter?
She's not opening.
Where
I
is
don't
she?
know.
What has happened? I don't understand. Anjali! Please open the door.
Anjali, open the door.
Anjali!
Please open the door.
Please listen to me, Anjali.
Open the
Tell me what has happened.
I gave milk to her and left. After that, I don't know what happened. Suddenly, I heard some sound backside and I saw her with Hari. Actually.
Hari?
Yes, Hari. I saw him. Sure, he is Hari.
Tell her to open the door. Bang nicely. Anjali.
Sir, I searched thoroughly, but no one is there.
I brought you up like my own son. And even after that, you played with the sentiments of my daughter, you scoundrel!
Sir, I didn't get you. What are you telling?
As if you don't know anything.
Sir, definitely I
Why
didn't
you're
get you.
acting with me, huh? I'm not going to let you live alive. I'm going to kill you.
Sir,
What do you think of yourself?
I don't know.
What? What happened? Just kill him. He has played with the sentiments of my daughter.
No, brother.
How dare you can touch a girl in this home at this time?
I didn't do anything.
Dare you will do this?
Leave me.
Tell me, how dare you can?
No, I didn't do nothing. Leave me.
Open the door.
Please leave me.
Anjali.
Daddy, what happened?
Anjali.
I don't know what happened. You please go. You just go up and see if there is any way. Go fast. Go.
Open the door.
Don't cry.
Grandpa, hurry. Grandpa, don't beat him. Please, Grandpa. Just stop. I know about my Hari. Hari, tell me the truth. What happened? Tell to Grandpa, please. Tell him what happened. Who is responsible for this? Please tell him.
It's not me, sir. I know nothing about it.
Liar! He's totally lying. I saw everything on my eyes. He is only with our Ammukutti.
No, sir.
Get lost. Get out.
Ari, Grandpa, listen my words,
You
please.
get in.
Please, Grandpa. Please. Just leave me.
Anjali!
Anjali!
Definitely my Hari won't do like this. I won't believe this. Whatever happened to Anjali, Hari is not responsible for that. Voluntarily someone did like this. I'm sure about that.
I don't know what really happened, but somewhere I smells fishy. You don't get down. You should not get down. You must have a patience to wait for him.
Excuse me, sir.
Pavitran. Heard that you had come. I'm happy about meeting you. Have you decided where to go?
Wherever I go leaving this village, I will never forget this village. I would like to take some ashes from my mother's grave as remembrance, and I shall never come back after that.
The people who we want doesn't belong to us. The people who find us belong to us. What next? She lives in that house. The Subhadra you loved.
Let grow the black flower in a red sand. All will be okay soon. In 108 Tandavas, I like this one most. A woman cannot take the all responsibilities of men's flaw. That's not our duty. The Lord Shiva is really true. Why are you giving all the difficulties to my relations? Silence. Women should get all the freedoms.
Subhadra?
You came again? Rugrama, you came back again. Just go from here.
Subhadra! Subhadra? What happened to you? Tell me, Subhadra.
I failed it all my life. At last, you came to see me.
Now there is no sense in living anymore. I wanted to meet you a long time back. You're there into my heart, the old Subhadra of mine. I'm going.
Please don't go.
Maithili? Maithili? You're beautiful. Much beautiful than Subhadra. Much softer than a flower. Subhadra is within you. The whole house is belong to you. A girl who doesn't get all her wishes in a night is Subhadra. But I need this Maithili tonight totally.
Stop. Don't think me like other girls. First you understand that. Still I'm waiting for my Hari to come. Just get out from here.
Last year during the temple festival I saw your Arangetram. From that moment I am keenly following you. I just can't forget it. It's been for a long time. Just for you. I really like you a lot. Unwantedly that old man only wants you to marry that guy. I just can't tolerate it, you know. If it is a playground or a war field, if you're just not worried about the blood, then only you can win. How come he's gonna win the game? It's because of my plan. He's in a big trouble. He will not be back here after. He will not come here differently. He will not come in search of you. Hey!
Hari?
Hey! Sir, please save me! Sir!
Raghuram! Hurry! What's the problem? Stop it!
Oh God.
I'll go and call her. You're going to get it.
Hey!
Sir, he is trying to...
You scoundrel! What do you think of yourself?
Hey!
Why are you beating before my house? What wrong has he done? Tell me!
You don't know, but you have to know about him, sir. Sir, he has become a man now. Since last 1 month, he has disturbed a lot of girls here and tried to kill them also, you know. First of all, please tell him to get out from here.
Dare you! You come here! Take her in!
Don't go. Come here.
What do you think about our family?
Stay here. Don't cry. Be quiet. No, dear. No, stay here.
Dad, you can do this.
Listen, dear. Listen. Stay here. No, don't go. Please don't go. Stay here.
Sir,
Come on, dear. Don't go. Listen inside. Listen to me, please. Can't leave him. Don't beat him, please.
Just don't touch him. I know everything about you. I know that you are not faithful to this house. You tried to trap my son and you're not successful. You're angry about it. Very angry. By deceiving the boss. When I told my son to get away from here, then I decided that one day or the other I'll come to this place and tell you all the truths and facts. I request you to please listen to me, sir.
Take your son away from here. You're my daddy's old friend. That is the reason why I have let him alive, or else I would have killed him long back.
I have to talk, sir. Your daughter is still alive because she is living with my memories, lovable memories.
No. Leave it, my son. Take out all that thinking from your mind, and then we are gonna leave from here. Boss, please don't curse my children. I have only faith, trust, and devotion towards you in my mind.
Krishna, I take it as a gift to my affection which I had shown towards him.
Make your son understand everything
Listen, my dear,
clearly.
just leave
Let
her
him not
go.
disturb my daughter
Dear,
anymore.
listen.
Take her away.
Listen to me. Come here. Come on. Come.
Sir,
Just leave me.
I'll leave, sir. But before I leave, I have to know the truth, sir. Sir, please don't trust him. He's trying to cheat everyone. Before I leave, I have to reveal the culprit. Tell them what happened that night. Listen him, please listen him. He's trying to narrate news stories nowadays, you know. He's trying to make Maitri as his girl. That's the reason he's planning like this. Stop it, you bloody.
You have to reveal the truth. Vishal, tell them what happened that night.
Boss, before going to England, I only called Anjali to meet me.
Idiot! If I see you here after disturbing her, I'll definitely kill you for sure. Why, dear, you wanna come to this place at this time? I'm gonna kill you now. Just get out from here. Go! Get out! Go! Go! Get lost! Hey, get the hell out of here! Our place is here only. Come. I'll take you there. You just go. Come on. Just forgot her, okay? I shouldn't see you here after in this place, alright? I will kill you if I see you here, okay? Do you wanna see your dad who is suffering a lot? Or you wanna die here itself? Tell me! Just get the hell out of here immediately. Got it? Get out from here!
Anjali! 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 What happened? Tell me what happened? Who did this? Don't panic. Who did this, Anjali? Tell me.
Don't make any dramas. Come outside.
Oh my god.
Tell them. I know you were the part of the crime. Tell them what happened.
How Anjali died? Tell the truth.
Say the truth, I say.
You bloody...
Don't cry. I'm here now. Don't cry. What? What happened?
If you say that I have done all these things to anyone, then I'll definitely kill you. If you say that I have done this to anyone, then I will kill both of you for sure. I don't have any relatives or family, do you know that? Did you understood my words? If you listen my words, then it'll be good.
All these things happen only because of Raghuram. And only I to help him.
Bala, kill that bloody rascal. Kill him here. No. Get rid of her.
Get lost from here. I don't want to see you here.
Hey, get the hell out of here. Yes, just get out of here.
Hey!
My children have not done anything wrong. I just wanted to prove it to you. And today I have done it.
Please don't beat me.
I'm going.
Krishna,
Sir, no. Please
till
save
the
me.
day I die, you should only be with
sir,
me.
No, please.
Sir,
My child. Hari, she rightly belongs to you only.
When I am decided to die, I can just think for a second. Life is how precious and how super. I'll be seeing everyone from here to all your beautiful life. Once you succeeded in your life, definitely you will come and meet me. I'll be waiting for that moment.